Want to make $1 million? Here's the easiest way to do it. Fact: in 1911, there were two guys named Max Blanc and Isaac Harris, owners of the Triangle Shirtwaist factory, which made this clothing called Shirtwaist. Very sleek, very fashionable, and more importantly, very flammable. On the evening of March 25th, just as people were finishing up work for those hard-earned wages, looking forward to go back home to have a nice dinner with their family, a fire broke out on the 8th floor of the building. The origin? A bin containing hundreds of pounds of scrap cuttings. The fire immediately engulfed the whole floor, and it started spreading to adjacent floors. A bookkeeper managed to warn the 10th floor via telephone. There were attempts to warn the people on the 9th floor, but there was no audible alarm or anything. So by the time someone yelled fire, it was because the fire was already in their face. The workers started scrambling to the exit as the whole factory was consumed by the flame. Finally, they reached the only available door out, and in true horror game fashion, the door was locked. Our aforementioned owner's friends here locked the doors during work hours to prevent theft by the workers. This video is about making money, remember? The next few moments were nothing shy of terror. Garment workers, mostly immigrant women, squandered for their life. Some died of smoke inhalation, some were burned alive. Over 60 people jumped out of the window to escape the fire, only to land on the pavement. In total, 146 lives were lost that day, some as young as 14. Blanc and Harris survived by fleeing to the rooftop, but they were later prosecuted on manslaughter charges and, surprise surprise, not guilty. Though they did find them guilty on wrongful death charges, and they had to pay $75 per victim. But here's the real ball slapper. Despite that, Blanc and Harris were paid $60,000 more than their reported losses by the insurance company, which, adjusted for inflation, is, drumroll, $1.8 million, meaning they profited around $400 or $12,000 in today's money for each deceased victim. Congratulations, assholes.